Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of my All Things Fall series. And in today's video, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be showing you how I made these beautiful wreaths using all Dollar Tree products. So I'll go ahead and let you know that I did lose the intro footage that I had planned to use for this video, showing you all of the items. But again, everything is from the Dollar Tree, and I have hauled these products on my channel before. This willow wreath, again, is from the Dollar Tree, and the greenery you see here is actually fern leaves, and these ferns were on a stem. I just cut the individual leaves off so that I could use them for this wreath. And so I'm actually going to be cutting the leaves in half just to make more, because I am going to be making two wreaths today. I'm only going to show you one, but I'm going to be making two. So I'm doing this to create more. You do see that I have my glue gun here, and you can see the burlap ribbon with the lace in the background there. That ribbon is from the Dollar Tree as well. So I'll go ahead and let you watch. The video is pretty self-explanatory, but I will be back with more commentary right after this. Okay, so this is what I have so far for my wreath, and I think it is going okay. So I just looked at some of the leaves that I have, and I was thinking about maybe incorporating some of these, maybe at the top, I don't know, but on second thought, I'm not gonna use them, but I did wanna show you, Dollar Tree has some really nice floral for fall. So even though I bought these probably 3 years ago from Dollar Tree, they do still sell like the single, well, this came off of a stem, but they do still sell like the single leaves like this, and they're just really pretty. Some of them are foiled, some of them are just like yellow, red, and orange, and then some look more like this. And then there's a few green ones in there also. So if you need something like this for a DIY, for a wreath, or for just to kind of scatter on your fall table, you can definitely get those from Dollar Tree. But I think what I'm gonna do is just go ahead and add one of these metal words. So like I mentioned earlier, I hauled these from Dollar Tree last year at fall time, and so these are, you get a set of 3 for $1. So this one says thankful, this one says harvest, and this one says welcome. And I think I'm going to use harvest and welcome. I am going to be making 2 wreaths, and so I think I'm going to use them in my kitchen area. So I think harvest and thankful will be appropriate there. Okay guys, so here we are in my kitchen, and I just wanted to show you how I decided to hang the wreaths. I have them on these 2 cabinet doors above my microwave, and I just think that turned out really cute. I like that it says harvest and thankful. I think that's perfect for, you know, fall time and Thanksgiving. Also, I think what I'll do is I'll probably use these at Christmas time also, and maybe just take off the words and change the ribbon from this burlap ribbon to a more festive Christmas color of ribbon. So yeah, so this is how it turned out. I think it's super duper cute, and all these items are from the Dollar Tree. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.